Hello, we are at Cool Beach Club in Playa del Carmen, and we're gonna have our bartender to make us a special drink, tamarindo and cucumber martini.
Hey, hello, my name is Miguel. We are in the Cuba bar. We are gonna make the tamarindo martini. Yes, it's very popular here in Mexico. Here you have it.
Gracias.
Yeah.